Have you ever wondered how the internet actually works? It's a vast network connecting computers worldwide. Web hosting is like renting space on the internet for your website to live. This space is on powerful computers called servers. In 1991, Tim Berners-Lee created the first website. This marked the beginning of the web as we know it. Early web hosting was complex and expensive. The 1990s saw the rise of commercial web hosting services. These services made hosting more accessible and affordable.
The early days of web hosting were a wild west of innovation and experimentation. One of the first companies to offer free web hosting was GeoCities, founded in 1995. GeoCities allowed users to create their own websites and organize them into virtual cities based on their content. This community-driven approach to web hosting helped to popularize the web and make it accessible to a wider audience. However, free hosting came with its drawbacks. GeoCities and similar services often displayed advertisements on users' websites to generate revenue. This trade-off between affordability and advertising became a common theme in the early days of web hosting. Another pioneering company was Tripod, which offered free web hosting with a focus on website building tools. Tripod's easy-to-use interface allowed users with little technical knowledge to create their own websites. The company also offered a suite of tools for customizing websites, including templates, graphics, and even animation effects. Tripod's focus on user-friendliness and customization helped to shape the future of web hosting, making it easier for anyone to create and manage a website.
The rise of shared hosting marked a significant turning point in the history of the web. Shared hosting allowed multiple websites to share the same server resources, drastically reducing the cost of web hosting. This made it possible for individuals, small businesses, and organizations with limited budgets to establish an online presence. The emergence of companies like Angelfire further democratized web hosting. Angelfire offered free web hosting with an emphasis on simplicity and ease of use. Its user-friendly interface and website building tools made it a popular choice for beginners. As the internet continued its explosive growth, so did the demand for web hosting services. This led to the emergence of web hosting providers specializing in shared hosting. These companies invested heavily in building and maintaining large server farms to accommodate the growing number of websites. Competition among hosting providers drove down prices and improved the quality of service, making web hosting more accessible than ever before.
Section 4. Innovations in Hosting Technologies. The evolution of web hosting didn't stop at shared hosting. As technology advanced, so did the tools and technologies available to web hosting providers and website owners. One of the key milestones in this evolution was the introduction of cPanel, a web-based control panel that simplified server management. cPanel provided a user-friendly interface for managing websites, email accounts, databases, and other server resources. Its intuitive design and comprehensive feature set quickly made it the industry standard for web hosting control panels.
Another significant development was the founding of GoDaddy in 1997. GoDaddy emerged as a leading domain registrar and web hosting provider, offering a wide range of services to individuals and businesses. The company's aggressive marketing campaigns and competitive pricing helped to popularize web hosting and make it accessible to a wider audience. GoDaddy's success demonstrated the growing importance of web hosting in the digital landscape. Section 5. The Cloud Revolution. The late 2000s witnessed a seismic shift in the world of web hosting with the advent of cloud computing. Cloud hosting, which emerged around 2009, offered a fundamentally different approach to hosting websites and applications. Instead of relying on a single server, cloud hosting distributes websites and applications across a network of interconnected servers. This distributed architecture offers numerous benefits, including scalability, reliability, and cost-effectiveness. Cloud hosting allows websites and applications to scale their resources up or down on demand, ensuring optimal performance even during traffic spikes. If one server in the cloud network fails, other servers can seamlessly take over, ensuring high availability and minimal downtime. Cloud hosting also offers a pay-as-you-go pricing model, allowing users to pay only for the resources they use, making it a cost-effective solution for businesses of all sizes.
Section 6. The future of web hosting. The world of web hosting is constantly evolving, driven by technological advancements and changing user demands. As we look to the future, several trends are shaping the next generation of web hosting. One such trend is serverless computing, which allows developers to run code without managing servers. With serverless computing, cloud providers handle the underlying infrastructure, allowing developers to focus on writing and deploying code.
Another emerging trend is edge computing, which brings computation and data storage closer to the user's device. By processing data closer to the source, edge computing reduces latency and improves performance, particularly for applications that require real-time responsiveness. Edge computing is particularly relevant in the age of the Internet of Things, where billions of devices are connected to the Internet, generating massive amounts of data. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, web hosting will continue to play a vital role in connecting businesses and individuals to the world.